Hello YouTube, this is box number 2 of 2019 SummerSlam. Let's get into it. I got my sleeves handy this time because I did not expect a 101 and a 1 of 10 out of the last box. So maybe I can pull something like that again.
A 101 autograph.
Oh, I'm still not, I mean, it's cool to pull a 101, but it's a 101 manufactured patch. I'd rather have a 101 matte card. A printing plate.
101 medallion dinner.
Box did not want to open. Why am I always struggling with these boxes?
That means good luck.
Hopefully. That means what the... Okay. Let's go and pull another good card. That's why I always show the cards. Just in case. Roman Reigns. Let's get these scissors out of the way. Roman Reigns. The Leaders of the World. Samoa Joe. Andrade. Now I gotta check the colors. SummerSlam. There's a SummerSlam poster. Alundra Blaze. She was named something else in WCW. Randy Orton. Nia Jax. Kurt Angle. Bray Wyatt. See, these ones get me every time. The SummerSlam All-Star thingies. They look gold. Bronze of Cedric Alexander. Roman Reigns. That's why I show the... Because Bayley, Liv Morgan, Miz, Becky Lynch, Jeff Hardy, Bork Laser, and Shawn Michaels. The B Team. AJ Styles, Baron Corbin, Samoa Joe, Big Show and Kane, Braun, Sheamus, and Steve Austin. Leaders of Worlds again, Mandy Rose, Daniel Bryan, Alexa Bliss, Edge. I don't think I have this one. SummerSlam poster and Ultimate Warrior beats Honky Tonk Man. Roman Reigns. Dolph Ziggler. I finally got that card. I've been looking for that card forever. Shinsuke. Cedric Alexander. Bret Hart. Jeff Hardy bronze. And Kurt Angle beats Steve Austin. Finn Balor. Oh, upside down. Shinsuke. Bobby Lashley. Shinsuke again. Edge. Ronda Rousey. And Kane. See, that one looks like it's another color, but got 3 packs left. Braun Strowman. Shelton Benjamin. I can't talk. Shelton Benjamin. That's looked like a gold one again. I don't know. Carmella. Cesaro. Brock Lesnar. Sarah Logan bronze. And the Usos. 2 packs and then the hit. Sasha Cranks. Ronda Rousey. Elias. Braun Strowman. AJ Styles, Triple H, and Daniel Bryan.
Now you need the gold, the red.
I need the gold, the red, the purple, all the colors. I don't even know what colors. Oh, some of the packs fell. Oh well. Andrade, Dolph Ziggler, Drew Gulak. Cards are kind of New Day. Heart Foundation. Finn Balor bronze, and Ric Flair there. Let's get these out of the way real quick. And then let's see what the hit is. Charlotte, as always. Lita. Mickie James returns to help Alexa Bliss. Charlotte Flair is drafted to Raw. So that's those. Nothing as amazing as the other box. Let's see what the hit is. 10 of 10 of Drew McIntyre. 10 of 10. It's, I don't know what that is. Gold? Maybe bronze? I'm not sure.
Gold.
I'm thinking gold again. Matt Relic could be bronze, blue, silver, gold, or red. I'm saying that's gold because it's 10 of 10. And it's 1 out of 862 packs. So, let's leave that bad boy up. I'm actually doing halfway decent out of these boxes.
Wait a minute, is that better than Booker T?
Probably. He's world champion now, so I'll take it. But anyways, that's what I got. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. There'll be 2 more on the way. But the way YouTube uploads my videos now, sometimes they don't go in order. So, anyways, that's what that box was. Thanks for watching. Bye!